if you just enter these light metal fractions to the furnaces, for example, you have to melt it, of course, and make testing and then blend with additional alloying components or at primary if one of the component is higher. So to achieve the specific alloy composition what you want to produce, you need much more time and you need this blending process. And that is what we can avoid with LIPS sensor sorter. So if you already know what you want to get out from your smelters and what billet you want to produce, so you can set this composition into our sorter, and the fraction what you get at the end, it will be directly that. So we have users who lines the extracted belts or the extracted fractions directly to the without any additional testing. And let's say one of the example is the low magnesium. If they set 0.3% magnesium, they direct this line into the furnace and no need to add so many chlorine, for example. So they already had the low magnesium component alloys. That is one application.
Right. So
we also
hold on a second. Hold on a second, because what you just said is very, so you just said that if I'm a foundry guy and I understand very well what is the composition that I need on my final product, I can just send that composition into your system, so your system will be ready to separate as much as they can from the source to give me ready to melt material in order for me to not use too many alloying elements or P1020 that is the primary ingots that I am getting, to rise up whatever or element. And also this type of approach is allowing me to not use chlorine or fluxes or something in order to reduce magnesium or whatever. So, wow, that's crazy. It is crazy because actually it's giving to the foundry industry the opportunity to really use aluminum scrap without getting into all these different activities that we need to get into in order to have a final product with a really good quality.
Absolutely, that is our goal. And another application, it's only about cast aluminum, but they set a very low copper, 0.1% copper content, and they are also extract from that sort of alloys composition, and they also line it directly to the furnace. So I believe that we have this foundry industry on a high scale, saving a lot. And so that's
energy, money,
our goal.
Time. Wow, it's crazy because you are closing the loop.
Yeah, we try to do even better and better. So
let me ask you something.